Regarding the replacement of the SH-B8900 seat air pressure rod, remove the rear protective covers on both ends. Remove the crankshaft decorative cover. Remove the cranks on both sides. Remove the screws from the right protective cover. Only remove the screws, do not remove the protective cover. Remove the upper protective cover. Remove the screws from the left protective cover. Remove the left protective cover. Remove the screws on the inside of the right protective cover. Remove the right protective cover. Lay the fitness bike frame flat. Remove the lower protective cover. Remove the components that fix the air pressure rod. Remove the connection between the steel wire rope and the adjustment handle. Remove the connection between the air pressure rod and the seat support tube. Remove the air pressure rod. Remove the connection between the air pressure rod and the angle adjuster. Assemble the new air pressure rod onto the angle adjuster. Put in the air pressure rod. Install the connection between the air pressure rod and the support tube. Install the steel wire rope. If the air pressure rod is too long, you can hold down the angle adjuster and push it inside. Install components for fixing the air pressure rod. Install the lower cover. Install the right shell. Install the inner screws that fix the right shell. Install the left shell. Install the fixing screws on the upper side of the left shell. Install the protective cover. Install the fixing screws on the lower side of the left shell. Install the fixing screws of the right housing. Install the screws that fix the left and right cranks. Install decorative cover. Install the left and right rear covers.